guys, it's Pile here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have come up with this blue silvery kind of look, which I was actually wearing on the Ganesh Chaturthi day. So if you want to know how I have created this look, then keep on watching. And also if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. So I started with washing my face, and then I took this L'Oreal Paris Hydrafresh Antiox Grapeseed Hydrating Mask in Eye Gel. Such a mouthful of name. I took this and applied it near my eyes, near my mouth. Next I went to this Lotus Herbal Nutramoist Moisturizer with SPF of 25. For my brows I have taken this L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Pomade in the shade Ebony, and using the brush that came with that pomade, I filled in my brows. Next I move into primer. I have used this Maybelline New York Face Studio blurring primer, and then I went to concoction of Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drop and L'Oreal Paris Infallible Foundation. I made a concoction on a plate and apply it using a brush. Then I took the beauty blender and dab it in all over my face to get a very smooth, even finish to my face. Next I have moved into the concealer. I have chosen the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. This is my favorite one, and I applied it near my eyes, near my mouth, on all areas I usually have little bit of demarcation or dark spots. Also I have taken it for my priming my eyelids before trying any eyeshadow, and then blend everything using the beauty blender. And once I have finished blending everything, I have taken this Maybelline Instant HD1 Concealer in the shade Medium. This is slightly lighter than my skin tone, so I have taken this only to add a little bit of highlighting of my face, and then blended it with the beauty blender. For setting my face, I have taken this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Medium 25. And first I took excessive amount of the powder and bake my under eyes, and for rest of my face I slightly go over my whole face to set the cream product. Next I'm gonna move into eyeshadows. I'm gonna take this MORPHE JACLYN Hill eyeshadow, and taking this skin tone shadow, I'm gonna set my eyelids so that the eyeshadows glides on very smoothly. Next I took this orange and reddish orange color. First I have taken this light orange on my crease, and then taking a flat brush I have used the reddish orange color to increase the intensity. Next I have moved on to this brown shades. One is a little bit lighter, one is a little bit darker, and apply it on the outer corners of my eyes using in a V shape, and this gives a very beautiful cat effect. Next I'm gonna move into this blue shade. That is a very beautiful satin kind of blue shade. It is not too much shimmery, so I first took this and pat it to the outer corners, same way in the V shape, and I am taking it in the crease also. Next I have taken this Revlon Colorstay Cream eyeshadow in the shade Black Currant, and it comes with a brush which you can use to apply it as to cut the crease. Since it is a creamy product and it dries matte, so you can use the brush for cutting the crease, and this is a very quick application or very good brush, stiff brush. You can definitely use it very easily. So I have applied the cream product on the inner third of my eyes, and then I have taken the blue shade to blend blue and the silver. Next I have taken this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter eyeliner in the shade GlamRock and applied it on top of the silver or the cut crease area to give a more oomph to the look, or you know, more glittery to the look, you can skip this. If you can, instead of this, you can use a DECAY glitter. While the glitter is drying, I'm gonna take this Elegant Pro Contour Powder and taking the bronzy shade, orangey shade, I'm gonna bronze my face using a big fluffy brush. So once I bronzed my face, cheekbones, forehead, I took a small Real Techniques brush to contour my nose to make it more thin. And once I have done that, I'm gonna move into the darker shade and slightly contour my cheeks. Next, I'm gonna take this Lakme Absolute Illuminating Blush to the cheeks. It has a very beautiful satin finish in it, and it gives a very, you know, glowy cheeks, and also lots of color it has. After that, I'm gonna move into my lower lash line. I'm gonna take the light orange, dark deep orange, and the brown shade, all the three shades that I have used for my upper lashes. I'm gonna use it for my lower lash line also. And then I'm gonna take this Nike IM black liner and smoke out my lower lash line, and then smudge it with a brush using the brown shadow. For my upper lash line, I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Mega Liner and make a very small wing, not too much big, very small wing and very thin line, and preparing for the lashes. For lashes, I'm gonna use this PAC M75 lashes. For highlighter, I'm gonna take this Maybelline New York Face Studio Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold and apply it on the cheekbones, bridge of my nose. And then I have taken this PAC small brush, fan brush, for applying my brow bone. For lips, I have used this PAC Retro Matte Mini lipstick in the shade Nude. It comes with 4 pieces, so I have chosen the lighter shade and the darker shade. I made a concoction to get a very beautiful brownie nude lips, because eyes are very bold, so I went nude for my lips. And then I took this setting spray, L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Spray and Set my whole face so that the face looks more similar to skin instead of powdery, and then let it dry for some time. After that, I've used this Lakme Absolute Plum and Shine lip gloss in the shade Beige Shine to get a glow to my lips. It looks very beautiful at night. And also I've changed my dress. So yeah, this is the finished look, and I'm wearing this blue earring which is matching to my eye look. And also my dress was having a little bit of blue, so I switched it to this dress. Later I changed it to a black dress. So that's the finished look. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.